Hello viewers, you are watching Crimson Rays. In this video, I am going to discuss and explain about the format and marking scheme of notice writing which is included in the ICSE English language paper for class 9 and 10. As you know, notice writing it has 5 marks and it is very easy to score the full marks provided you follow the format properly. So in this video I am going to discuss about the format of notice writing and the marking scheme, marks that is allotted for different part of the notice writing. So watch the video and make it sure that you get the full marks in notice writing. So let's start. So in the step 1, you have to give a catchy heading that will be suitable to the notice. Remember that the reader should feel engaged so that they feel curious to read the rest of the notice. For example, if you are writing the notice on dance competition, you can write happy feet. You can use this as title. For quiz competition, you can write quizzical for the title, and or you can also write ignite your mind for the title of quiz competition. For debate competition, you can write war of words, and you will get 1 mark provided your heading is appropriate. In step number 2, you have to give the subject of the notice, and the subject will be given in the question itself. And the only task which you have to do in this step, that you have to copy the subject from the question and apply the subject in your notice properly, and it will give you another 1 mark. Then in the step 3, you have to give the date of the event in proper format. For example, on 23rd July 2021, and put the comma in between the date and the year. You will get half mark for the date. Then comes the time, and it is the step 4. You have to use from and to properly with the time duration of the event. Remember, it is very important. For example, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and it will give you another half mark. In step 5, you have to give the venue, means the place where the event is going to take place, and proper format of the venue you have to follow, means at first you have to give the smaller venue, then the larger venue, and you have to put a comma between the 2 venues, and it will give you another 1 mark. Remember, here you shall get half mark for the smaller venue and half mark for the larger venue. Total 1 mark is allotted for the venue. And put at before the venue, like at Auditorium Hall, St. Paul School. Here the Auditorium Hall is the smaller venue and St. Paul School will be the larger venue, and put at before the smaller venue, and at the end the target audience. It means for whom you are writing the notice, and all the additional information should be added here if you feel that it is necessary to give some additional information, and here you will get another 1 mark. Now this is how you can get the 5 marks in notice writing. So just a quick recap: for heading you will get 1 mark, for subject you will get another 1 mark, for date you will get half mark, for time you will get another half mark, for venue 1 mark, means half for the smaller venue, half for the larger venue, and at the end target audience will give you 1 mark. That makes total 5 marks notice writing. And this is how the notice will look like when you have followed all the format properly. So like the video and click the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications as soon as we upload any class on this channel. Thank you.